And here, this way is our brief history of our factory. From the first beginning, in 2004, we established our company and we put the first laser engraving machines into the market on that year. And nextly, in 2007, we sell the first laser cutting machines into Thailand and other countries. So starting from that point, we started our overseas business. And nextly, in 2014, we established sub-branch offices in USA. And then in 2017, we set up R&D center in Germany. And nextly, in 2019, we developed the Feng Cloud system to open the Industrial 4.0 general. And this way is the certificates we got all through the ways, including the IAF, CNAS, and other ISO and CE, and all the certificates that prove that we are big companies, and we have been very professionally doing the laser cutting machines. This way here is some honors issued by our government, by Chinese government, by our province government, and including some national high technology companies and the Shandong province famous brand, and some innovations and some champions in some competitions. And this wall here is all the patents we have got from the outlook of the machine into the cool technologies like laser source and cutting head and assembly and all the innovations we have got. This is the reception hall of the customer experience center. And this big screen is Feng Cloud system platform, which help monitors the working state conditions of the machine. And we believe in next 2 or 1 years, we will help customer to monitor more machines and to identify the problems may be happening in their machine and help them solve very quickly. And here is a meeting room where we negotiate maybe about price, maybe about terms, and maybe where we sign the contract together. And actually here this way, we are going to enter the showroom for the most popular machines. Follow me. Here this way, this is our T model. T model means professional tube cutting machine, which we will use this machine to cut all kinds of tubes like square, rectangular, and channel steel, and equal angle, and some steels made for structures. This way, on my back side is a M model machine. M model machine means one machine have two functions, that's plate cutting here and tube cutting at the side. So this is the samples cut by our engineer with this machine. Very smooth and the surface is very clean. And this part is the tube cutting part. We see now the engineer is working on the equal angle steel to cut it. And here this way is some samples, including the tube and the plate and some fine structures, very delicate very beautiful. Some tubes well connected with each other, equal angle steel. Some little parts. And this machine in front of us, this is a H model equipped with 6 kilowatts. See, this is the sample cut by this machine. Also very smooth, and the cutting surface is very clean. And here we display the different power, like 1.5 kilowatts, 3 kilowatts, 6 kilowatts, to cut different material at different thickness. Some more samples made by our laser cutting machines. Very shining, very beautiful. And this one here is our 6 meter by 2 meter, equipped with IPC 12 kilowatt laser cutting machine. The system is hip card. Now let's see inside. Our engineer is operating it to make more samples for the customers. We accept the customers ask for cutting samples. Just give us the size and the material and the thickness and what the power you prefer. And this way here is some samples cut by our machines. Each number means the thickness. For example, this 40 is thickness 40 mm. Our engineer here is discussing about some robot cutting samples, like this one. We use the robot system like that to cut these different shapes of the samples. And actually, with robot cutting system, we can achieve laser cutting, laser welding, laser marking, and laser cleaning in a workflow to achieve high efficiency in the factory. And here, this is a laser marking machine separately. Some little parts we are marking. You can see it's very beautiful, very delicate. And even we can mark colors on the surface on stainless steel. Beautiful, like Latin. And here is a laser cladding machine. Laser cladding machine is used to repair some important parts in the machinery, like the excise, very precise excise. And here is a laser welding machine. Laser welding machine mostly uses some decoration and home furniture industry, which will achieve the best surface quality, and at the same time it's portable and can move anywhere. And nextly, follow me. I will introduce our core technologies, including the laser cutting head and laser saws. Follow me. Still, the high power laser cutting machines now working. This 4 meter by 2 with 15 kilowatts. Now here this way, this is our display center for the core technologies by our R&D center, the laser cutting head and the laser devices. Now we have R&D center, the engineers working there almost 100 and more. Their basic products is the laser cutting head and the laser devices made by ourselves. As we can see displayed here, this is the 4 kilowatt laser devices, and here is the 6 kilowatt. And at the back rear, this part, this whole machine is 8 kilowatt laser devices. And some laser cutting head and laser devices are made by ourselves. So that's how we guarantee that the machine will achieve the best conditions in my factory. And actually, we have longer warranty time for the laser source and laser cutting head made by ourselves. You can just ask my backstage team for the further details. And nextly, let's go to our R&D center for a little tour of how they make the laser cutting head and the laser devices in my factory. Follow me. This is also the meeting room where we negotiate with customer and where we sign contract together. Okay, here, this way, follow me. First of all, this is the super clean room to make the optical devices like laser cutting head and laser devices. This is a high degree of super clean room to make sure no dust will infect the assembly. See, our engineer inside is now working to make the laser devices. Because we don't wear the super clean dresses, so we cannot go inside. So here we just take a brief look that 4 kilowatt, 4 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, and 6 kilowatt, and 4 kilowatt are now under assembly. After assembly, we will test it and put it into the testing stage of the machine, then use it in our market. And after my introduction about the laser machines, you may wonder how we produce a laser cutting machine in such a, how to say, high efficiency. Because in this stone, in this factory we every day will produce 10 sets, and that 10 sets is ready for delivery to the worldwide market. And we will go to take a quick look about the how we make a laser cutting machine. Follow me. And follow me, I will introduce you our assembly part, assembly workshop for the machine here, and maybe inside the noise, because it's real-time working, the noise may be very big and you can't hear me clearly, but I will try my best to speak loudly. And if you have any questions, welcome to write your comments to my backstage staffs, and they will help answer in short time. Now follow me inside the first workshop. This one is a supporting part workshop of our laser equipment. Now follow me. So at the first stage, we are going to the laser machine body, the welding part here. This part is for the laser cutting machine body, fine welded. We use 6 plates to weld together to make our machines here. The CLV engineer is now working to make the machine bodies. Now 90% of the laser machines, we make the machine bodies ourselves. 6 plates welded together. 6 meters by 2 meters. Some small structures and some other large structures. Some large structures. These are some finished ones. The finished ones will go into another process of the heat treatment. Now follow me. Here we can see outside this small workshop, there are some finished structures that are ready to go into the next stage, that is the heat treatment. In this small workshop, here this part is the furnace of the heat treatment. We heat up the furnace into 600 degrees and keep it 12 hours. Load down the machine bodies into this furnace, keep 12 hours, then slowly cool down to release the structures, the stress in the structures. This will help make the machine more durable and make it tough for many years. This is the machine after heat treatment. After heat treatment, we will go next way for the sandblasting. It's all finished ones. And here is the sandblasting machine. We use this machine to remove the surface, the rust and the oil and the paint on the surface of the machine parts after the heat treatment. High-speed sand attacks the surface of the machine, so remove all the materials like rust and oil on the surface, then it will look like this one. The surface of sandblasting. You can see it's very smooth, and this way we can very efficiently to remove the rust and some dust and oil paint. And after this stage, we will go through this high temperature room for the painting. Painting, then the surface will look like this. This is the machine after painting. And the machine after sandblasting and painting will go next way. The 5-axis machining center. We see this big truck is going to pick up some objects in my factory. It's really big, so we have to go through it this way. Follow me. So here we are. After that stage, we are going to this 5-axis milling center for making some precision parts inside the machine body. Follow me. We need this Titan and new way machinery for high speed and high efficiency and keep the accuracy for the surface of the machine. Now inside this 30 by 80 UV machine is a machine body now working under the process. So with this machine, the machine body will be 8 meter by 3 meter. We can make it here. Now over 90% of the machine body we can make in our own factory. That's the way how we guarantee the quality for each piece of the product. And here this way is some beams for assembly and for high precision processing in this way. Wow, it's really basic in this workshop because it's in real time, working time. So our workers is now moving some structures from that part into this part for production. Basically, every day we have a target to make 10 sets of the machines. Let's go this way. So the machine after milling center will be look like this. This yellow color is we put some oil on the surface to protect it from rain and water, and to keep it more accurate before the assembly. So this all finished once. That machine is from Korea, Dosan. And after this big milling center, we will go into this one. It's about small milling centers. The small milling centers here produce some little parts inside the machine. Let's say this our engineer is working at what products. So this is some now in this one we have almost 12 sets of the small milling center to make all the parts for our machines. This is our quality control staff, which will examine every part before it goes into next stage. And some other parts like the round, the wheel will produce here. And after this small parts make, we will go into next stage. It's about later assembly, about the tube holders like this. So this is a tube holder for M model machines, including the guide rail, the rack, and the structure, and some small parts. Our workers now is keeping the surface clean before going into next stage. We will have a full procedure of quality testing before it go into another big assembly stage. So here this is pneumatic holder for 300 diameter customized designs. So this holder will hold the material automatically with high efficiency for the customer. And here this way is the bending center for the auto shells of the machine. So this part, we will take this onto our machine for new designs, for traditional designs, and we control the quality here as well. Some little structures are made here. And here this way is our laser cutting zone. We use our own laser cutting machines. The old ones, we can take a close look at it. See this old type laser cutting machine made by ourselves 6 years ago. Now it's still working pretty well for ours. This machine is equipped with 4 kilowatts and cut some samples for the machines like this. The surface. This machine works for us 6 years already, and this one is 4 meter by 1.5 with 1.5 kilowatts. Cut some thin metals like this. So with this machine, we can achieve the plate usage rate achieve 95% or above. So after we showing that all these parts are produced here and how we do the assembly to make a big machine like our showroom. Let's go for the next workshop to take a look. Follow me. Still, there are some trucks that's going to take up some machines to some domestic and overseas market, the customer factory. Well, here is our next, the second workshop for assembly. This is where we assemble all the machines from small parts into the whole body. So this is almost finished once. You can see this is the half finished ones, and this way here is almost 90% finished and going to ready to ship out in short time. Every machine here we see is with an production order, which means we already sold this out to the market like USA, Germany, and including other countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and honestly, we have customers from 160 countries around the world. This is each M model, and this is H model, almost finished. And this is at the beginning stage of the assembly. Finished HM model. Those are already finished and going to ship soon. Well, we see here our engineer now is adjusting this machine. Let's ask some basic questions to them and get more familiar with this machine. 师傅，这台机器是多少瓦的？4 kilowatt laser cutting machine。这个机器是咱国内的还是国际的，知道吗？哦，荷兰。Holland. The customer in Holland ordered this 4 kilowatt laser cutting machine, and it's under the stage of testing and will ship out very soon. 大约什么时候发货啊？哦，2天左右。After 2 days, this machine is going to ship out to Holland. Electricity cabinet and the water chiller and the laser source. This also finished machines. And here is the package done for the machine, which have already finished and going to ship out today or tomorrow. 再走这边一下，这边走一圈啊，这边。Let's go this way for a tour of the factory. This is 6 meter by 2 meter each model. And this is 3 meter by 1.5 meter. Our worker now is working to assembly this machine. This machine almost half finished. Also, this one is under the stage of assembly. This AM model, this A model, this also 3 meter by 1.5 A model. With exchange table with open type. And here, this row is almost half finished ones that are under the stage of testing. So many machines are already ordered. And some people may wonder that if you give me a lot of orders, can we take it? Yes, for sure, because we have, in this zone, we have almost 10 sets will be ready every day to deliver. See, these workers are now working to package the machine. This machine is going to ship out today. The engineers here take care of every details to protecting the machine while packaging. So they will guarantee that when the machine arrives at the factory in customers, you see this is almost 20,000 square meter, this workshop. So it's pretty big. If we want to run every corner of this workshop, we may need a car, a small car. This is big machine. 这台机器是多大的？6025 6 meter by 2.5 meter with full cover with exchange table. And 12 kilowatt. This is simple machine like that one, 6 meter by 2.5 meter. And this is the open type machine, 6 meter by 2 meters. Domestic customer. The workers now are making every part perfectly to assemble this whole machine. This one also, the engineers are now working to test the machine. 这台机器是多大功率的？4 kilowatt. The electricity cabinet, water chiller, and the laser source at the rear part. Here is some open type. Open type occupies small space and economically priced. If you want to get more information about the price and delivery time, please do not hesitate to make comments in the screen, and our backstage team will respond very quickly. Also here, very big machines. And this also very big truck to pick up machines for different countries, for different zones. Okay, now it's all for today's factory show. In today, I showed you how we do the small parts and the big machines assembly together. And if you have more questions, please leave your message here and we will just reply you in time. Thank you.
Different cutting fair, different Senfeng Laser. Welcome to our live show. Hi everyone, this is Monica. Now we are in our factory and see one of best-selling models. This one, 3015 model, and also the most recommended model in this cutting fair. Let's know the machine from the details. You know, the most important for one machine is the machine bed, and for this model, we use 8mm steel tube by welding, and also we are treated by 600 degrees heat, and by 12 hours to remove the stress, and can ensure the machine bed will not deform or break in future. So there is no any need to worry about the machine life in the future. It's very good. And now let's see the cross beam. For this model, we use aluminum cross beam. It will have a higher speed when machine is running because aluminum is very light. And here, let's see the guide rail. There need to see that maybe some small manufacturers produce machine only have one side have gear and guide rail, but for we have both sides. Both sides also have gears and wheels, so can ensure the stability and the running speed when the machine is working. Yeah, and here one is we add a metal protector for this cover. Can ensure the dust cover will not burn when machine is working. And look there, the honeycomb is a special smoke exhaust area we have set for this machine. And we also will equip the machine with a fan to clean the smoke when machine is working. So those almost the mainly important part for a whole machine. You must want to know how machine working. So follow me to see it. This is the whole machine, and this one is 3015G model. It means the working size is 1.5 meters by 3 meters. And we can also choose other models depends on the size of your materials, such as 4 meters by 1.5 meters or 6 meters by 1.5 meters. You just tell us the size of your material. In addition, this machine equipped with 1.5 kilowatts. It can cut SS max to 6 millimeter, MS max to 16 millimeter, and aluminum max to 5 millimeter. And here is the chiller. We also will equip with machine and together. Although this one is 1.5 kilowatts, we can also equip other power from 1 kilowatts to 3 kilowatts. So just tell us your requirements, tell us your materials, tell us the thickness. We will suggest you the best model and with suitable power for you. And now, have one more thing is also very important is the control system. We can check now it's using SafeCatch. If you know this kind of machine before, if you know this industry before, you must know SafeCatch. Almost all machine we have stored using this SafeCatch system and have got a good feedback. Now let's check the catching effect and the engineer to operate. Here is 1 millimeter SS. By the way, if you want to check other material, you can contact us, tell my people, and we can do it for you. Yeah, finished. Let's check the catching effect. Yeah, it's very smoothly. Even the shape is different. You can just circle the gear. Can also ensure, yeah, can also ensure the quality. It's very smoothly, right? Okay. Yeah. Anything? Okay. Oh, there's a customer want to check 8 millimeter MS. Hi, let me ask engineer. Hi,
Yeah.
do we have a 8 millimeter MS now?
You mean the cover steel?
Yeah.
Okay, we have.
Yeah. Could you please show us the catching effect?
Yeah, it's no problem.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
2 minutes.
Please, no problem, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, please. So let's wait a moment because the engineer to need to change the plate and change nozzles and change the parameters. So by the way, we can check our workshop. And just now I said we are at the first workshop, second floor. For this workshop can produce more than 100 sets machine at one time, at the same time. So for the production quality is no problem. You can you can confirm many orders at one time. 6 sets or 10 sets is welcome. And some machine will be packaged recently. It's our colleges, engineers. Okay, let's to check the engineer whether it's okay. Hi, is okay? Okay, let's check. Now it's cutting 8 millimeter carbon steel. Yeah, finished. Let's check. very nice, right?
Yeah, it's awesome. Very beautiful.
Smoothly. 8 millimeter carbon steel. So now, due to the time limited, we need to say bye. But if you're interested in this machine, if you want to buy this machine, contact us. Tell us your requirements, and we will suggest you the best model and the best power for you. And the most important, we have prepared a big surprise for you for this cutting fair. Contact us, please, now. Okay, bye.
Hello everyone, this is Anthony from Senfeng Laser. Welcome to our live show. Recently, although we are unable to meet you face to face on the exhibition site, we will as always to bring you the best experience. Okay, today firstly, I'm going to introduce my company and the products. Senfeng Laser is a professional manufacturer which is specialized in research, development, and production of laser machines since 2004. During the 16 years development history, we have set up a laser industry park with a total area of 120,000 square meters. With nearly 1,000 employees and 208 technical team, our products have been exported to more than 160 countries and regions, with over 60,000 laser machines around the world. In China, we have 20 domestic branches located in Shandong, Jiangsu, Liaoning province, and so on. Overseas, we have established branches company in Germany, India, USA, and Pakistan as our local service center. And in the near future, we have planned to establish more overseas branch in Serbia, Jordan, and Vietnam. Okay, next I will focus on introducing one of our wholesale product, HM model. Follow me, please. Here we are. As we can see, HM model is a fiberless tube and plate combination cutting machine with full cover protection, independent tube cutter, and exchange platform. It can be equipped with 1 kilowatt to 36 kilowatt covers, medium and high diesel cover. The dimension working area is available with 3 by 1.5 meters, 4 by 2 meters, 6 by 2 meters, 6 by 2.5 meters, and even longer and wider to 8 by 2.5 meters. And this one, what I'm going to introduce today is as a 3020 HM. So the working area is 6 meters by 2 meters. And we can see due to the fully enclosed structure of the machine and the radiation-proof glasses, they will be able to protect the operator from laser and high temperature. The reason why HM model can undertake 10 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, even large to 36 kilowatt is that the machine bed is 12 millimeter to 20 millimeter thick plate welded. And the machine bed will go through 600 degrees heat treatment. So that makes the whole machine more stable and stronger. The service life can be up to 20 years. Third generation coast aluminum beam, lightweight but high accuracy, which ensures the cutting speed and quality to meet your requirement. Okay, let's see the tube cutter. This is independent 6 meters pneumatic tube cutter, which could process tube from uh, the length of 6 meters and the diameter from 20 millimeters to 200 millimeter. Okay, next, let's see. Our engineer will show you how to cut some samples. Okay, you can see the cutting process is flexible. Let's see the cutting surface. Oh, it's a little hot. You can see the cutting surface is beautiful and smooth. Okay, let's go to the other side. This one is the independent power distribution cabinet. And you can see the inside, each terminal is strengthened, the circuit is more durable, and the service life is much longer. This one is water sealer. It is used to cooling fiber laser source and laser cutting head. Next is the recast fiber laser source. Recast fiber laser source is always trusted and satisfied by customers with stable performance and low failure rate. This one you can see is recast 3 kilowatt single module fiber laser source. And the next is the gas bottle. As we all know, uh, oxygen will be needed when we need to process carbon steel to help laser to cut carbon steel. But when we need to process aluminum and stainless steel, we will need the nitrogen to keep the cutting surface more beautiful and smooth. Okay, let's back to the front. Finally, let's see the quick cutting. Okay, Han, let's show our customers how to cut some quick samples. Okay, everyone, we just finished a fly cutting. You can see the cutting speed is very fast. Okay, next let's see the exchange platform. The exchange platform will improve the working efficiency a lot. When the laser cutting head is working on the front platform, you can load or unload materials on the second platform. So after that, two platforms will exchange. That means each model truly realizes uninterrupted and continuous cutting working. At the same time, we can provide you with automatic loading and unloading system. Okay, right, in the end, let's see the display screen. You can see the high definition camera are installed on the front and back platform. So you will be able to see the real-time working condition inside the machine from this screen. And the control software is SafeCut and Q-Pro. When you need to cut the plate, then you will need SafeCut. For tube, you will need Q-Pro. Okay, everyone. Thanks, thanks for your time and attention. I have already finished today's comments. See you next time. Bye.
Hello, I'm Viva. Today I will introduce you a professional tube laser cutting machine. This is an ultra high speed laser machine. You can see the machine structure is compact, light, and this floor is very small. Using this machine, you no need to worry about the insufficient plant area. The machine is used for 1 kilowatt to 4 kilowatts. It can meet most customers' requirements. And you can see the machine appearance. It uses wide at base and flow and balancement. Look at the cabinet. 帮我打开一下。All these electrical parts use Schneider. Schneider is a very famous brand. This is the soft model. It uses Taiwan brand Delta. It's no noisy and very stable. This is the machine system called Tube Pro 3000X. It's a professional tube laser cutting machine, a cutting system from SafeCut. I will show you the functionality of the machine. Look at this. First, I will show you the machine cutting. 展示一下切管。The cutting speed you see now is 20 meters per minute. And 拿下来吧先。I will show you the clamping function. Ah, 你先别放这个了，先展示那个展示。This is clamping function. It will clamping twice just for achieve the higher precision. 展示一下转速。Now you see the rotate speed. The rotate speed of the machine is 125 meters per minute. And now I will show you the function of automatic finding center function. The machine can find the center point automatically. Here we'll show you. Okay, 先拿下来吧。Some customer may care about the tail raw material. The medium tail of this machine is 20 millimeter. It can save your raw material and achieve the benefit biggest. 展示一下空运行速度。Now I will show you the max running speed of the machine. It's 120 meter per minute. And now I will show you this part. This is an auxiliary support. It's special for pipe, and this pipe can up and down, just for avoiding the slinking of the pipe. Okay. Also, many customers care about the accuracy of the machine. The machine accuracy, cutting accuracy is 0.1 millimeter, and the precision is 0.3 millimeter. It's very high precision. Some of the core features of the machine is higher speed, higher precision, low price, low raw material cost. If you are care about this machine and you are interested in this machine, you can contact us. If you want to test the machine, you can also contact our service team. Whatever, Senfeng will always be your best choice. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Jennifer. Nice to meet you. Now I would like to introduce our laser welding machine to you. We know that laser welding machine can be used in metal material welding and processing industry. It can be used to weld almost all kinds of metal materials. And in our company, we have two choices. One is 1 kilowatts, another is 1.5 kilowatts. And they can weld the max about 5 millimeter carbon steel and stainless steel, about 4 millimeter aluminum and brass. And now I would like to introduce more details about the machine. Now we can see these buttons on this machine. First is the emergency stop button, and when this red one, when this light is on, it means that we connect the power. And the second, it is a yellow light. When the yellow light is on, it means the machine is ready. We can use it. When the green light is on, it means the machine is working. Here is our control panel. We can see it lists some information of this machine. For example, the power, the gas, and the speed. Here we can see this part. This machine we can connect the filler to this machine. Some customers maybe need it. And this is our laser head. Here we have a small motor here. It can help to output the spiral laser. It can help to expand the welding surface, so make the welding performance more beautiful. Next, I will show you our water chiller and the laser source. Here, this is our laser source. This one is 1.5 kilowatts. For the laser source, we have two choices. One is Rex, another is our own brand, Senfeng brand. This is our water chiller. And this one we can see here are this is a panel. It shows some details of this water chiller. So we can know more about it and help us to control it better. Then we would like to invite our technician to show how this machine works. Let's have a look. First, we need to set some parameter. The first one, our technician welded the stainless steel. This is a carbon steel. Aluminum. Let's see the welding performance. Can you show us the?
这是3毫米的碳钢。
This is 3mm carbon steel. You can see that.
这是3毫米焊那个不锈钢。
It is 3mm stainless steel.
1毫米铝。
1mm aluminum. It is very hot, so our technician used the gloves to show it to us. So that's all about our machine. If you are interested in it, and or if you have more questions, please leave your contact information. Our sales manager will contact you. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to Senfeng Laser live stream. This is Gloria. Today I would like to introduce to you about this machine behind me, the model 3050H. Now, if you choose one word to summarize all these fascinating features, it would be saving. Why? Let's look at the machine size in millimeters. It's 2270 by 2340 by 8300, which allows it to be a perfect fit for a 40 feet high cabinet. Without having to use any more frame container, there will be a huge reduction on the freight cost. Moreover, since the machine will be delivered to the customer as complete as it already are, there will be no need for the machine to be dismantled or for the customer to install it again. So installation time and labor cost will be much greatly saved. And as you can see, this machine is designed to be a full cover type, and it's safer, more environmentally friendly, and certificated by CE, FEA, ROHS, TUV, etc., which really ensures the safety situation. If you are worried that you are not able to see right through inside, don't be. Here, 2 screens are on display. On the top part, you can see it's showing the real-time cutting situation, and on the bottom part, it's side cut operational surface. Side cut cutting and side cut masking. Side cut does support many formats and many languages. Oh, right here. Also, don't miss this convenient remote control. Many functions are available with it, such as dry cutting add seeking, or let the leader head going forward and backward. Just play with it. Finally, let's check out the inside of the machine, shall we? Come on. So first thing first, we have to focus on the machine tool. Oh right, since the machine, this one is still halfway down, so normally you wouldn't be able to see it this part. It will be all covered up. All the machine bed and machine beam are manufactured by ourselves right in this factory to ensure its formation and firmness of the welding surface, as well as the aesthetics of the welding lines. So each and every machine tool of our self-production has gone through a 24-hour heat treatment, and then it can be used for 20 years without any distortion. Don't forget to, yes, it's right there, the camera. That's what we just saw. And also, all the reels and racks, we adopted the imported high quality ones to make sure we have the highest precision of the cutting. Now, I think it's time for us to go check out the back to have a more clear version of the exchange table. So, there's a Chinese saying called one stone, two birds. I think it's very suitable for this function of ours here. As you can see, it gets slower down at this point. Yeah, this is because we really focus on the details and safety and all. Yeah, this is the safety area, so it slows down automatically. So pretty much double work, efficiency, double productivity, while the time is being half cutted. Very, yeah, very convenient and all. I think the technician is ready for us with this sample testing. Oh, by the way, it's easy to notice that all the smokes and dust can be a problem while metal cutting. So here we have a total of 8 dust removal areas, which has a very effective and efficient effect of the dust removal. It will be very safe and environmentally friendly for our operational personnel. Now let's have a look and appreciate the flying cuts. Do you have a chance to see the sample? Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright. So we can see all the surfaces are clear and it's a very well cutted piece. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now there's one thing left is our independent electric cabinet. It is constant temperature. Um, there is an industrial air conditioner equipped inside to maintain the humidity and the temperature in order to prolong the service life of the electrical component as well as the home machine. So overall, saving on space, saving on freight costs, saving on time consuming, saving on labor costs, and last but not the least, it is on a very wonderful sale right now. So you will save a lot with this competitive price and everything. Um, Now, so I just give you this brief introduction. If you're interested, please check out our website and all. Thank you.
Hola a todos, soy Tadeo de Senfeng Laser. La feria de Candón de 2020 es una feria diferente. Entonces, nuestra empresa Senfeng Laser también es diferente. Entonces, muy bien, bienvenido a nuestra sala de vivo. Yo soy responsable del mercado de Latinoamérica. En esta feria preparamos una gran sorpresa para todos. Lanzamos dos modelos rebajos. Estos dos modelos son más vendidos para cortar metales. Ustedes, ¿quiénes están enfrente de la cámara? ¿En qué industria trabajan? Como te he dicho, ya presentamos dos modelos 3015G y 3015H. ¿Y por qué son estos dos modelos? Porque son más vendidos por los últimos años. Para los clientes directos son más adecuados y para los distribuidores son más vendidos. Por eso, antes siempre llevamos estos dos modelos en la feria anteriores. Ahora, como si usted ya sabe un poco, entonces, si quieres, puedes dejar tus datos en la parte inferior de la pantalla y nuestro vendedor te comunicará contigo. O ahora comuníquese con nuestro vendedor para hablar tus necesidades y nuestro vendedor te va a informar más informaciones. Como este modelo es un modelo 3015G, solo con una sola mesa, un mesa de trabajo. Su área de trabajo es 1,5 metros por 3 metros. Este modelo es para los amigos que trabajan en industria o publicidad o cortar las cosas más planas. Este modelo, la potencia es 1500. Se puede cortar el grosor de acero al carbono hasta 16 milímetros y 6 milímetros de inoxidable, 5 milímetros de aluminio. No solo así, este modelo puede ser una área de trabajo más grande, puede ser 4 metros por 2 metros, 4 metros por 1,5, 6 metros por 12 metros. Si su trabajo es con las placas no es muy grueso, entonces la potencia de 1000 a 3000 puede servir con este modelo. Entonces este modelo es una muy buena opción para ustedes. Y ahora, el cabezal. Cabezal es nuestra marca. Después un año de pruebación, entonces nuestra propia marca de Senfeng ya es muy estable. Y también el cubierto es un diseño nuevo y muy hermoso. Y aquí está abierto. ¿Por qué? Porque cuando la máquina trabaja y corre, entonces se produce un caliente. Y de esta forma es fácil sacar el caliente. Este sistema de Sibuku. Entonces, si usted trabaja con una placa normalmente de un grosor, entonces este modelo, este sistema puede guardar una carpeta. Cuando quiere guardarlo, abre carpeta y se abre automáticamente. Y también el equipo de láser, también con nuestra propia marca. Y normalmente ofrecemos la garantía es 2 a 3 años. Entonces, ahora en la feria, ¿cuánto tiempo podemos ofrecerte? Muy bien, si quieres saber más, comuníquese con nuestro vendedor y ellos te van a informarlo. Muy bien. Y el cuchillo también aquí es para poner, ajustar las placas, y aquí es para sacar el humos. Entonces hay un ventilador, es muy bueno para sacar el humos y para el medio ambiente. Muy bien, ahora después de mi presentación, usted ya conoce un poco sobre la máquina. Si usted necesita este modelo para su trabajo, en la feria de Cantón es el mejor momento para hablar con nosotros, porque tenemos un buen descuento con estos modelos. Si realmente usted necesita, comuníquese con nuestro vendedor, y nuestro vendedor te va a informar inmediatamente o deja tus datos a nosotros. Muchas gracias por escucharme y participa conmigo. Muchísimas gracias. Hasta luego. Hola a todos. Soy Tadeo de Senfeng Laser. La feria de Cantón de 2020 es una feria diferente. Entonces, nuestra empresa Senfeng también es diferente. Pues, bienvenido a nuestra sala de vivo. Yo soy responsable del mercado de Latinoamérica. En esta feria preparamos una gran sorpresa para todos y lanzamos 2 modelos para esta feria, y estos 2 modelos son más vendidos. Y ustedes, quienes están en la frente de la cámara, ¿en qué industria trabajan? Vamos a mirar la máquina que corre las muestras. Ya puede ver, estas muestras lo corta con la máquina de láser de fibra. No solo así, en nuestra vida, a menudo en nuestra vida, y lo ven muchas muestras que corta con esta máquina. Por ejemplo, una vez lo vi en un edificio, cubre con las placas y llena de agujeros, y muy hermosa. Lo vi y pensaba, pues esta seguramente lo corta con la máquina de láser. Y además, ya te he dicho, como en la feria preparamos 2 modelos para la feria. Entonces, estos 2 modelos es 3015G y 3015H. Ahora, este modelo está detrás de mí, es 3015H. Si quieres saber un poco más, puede conectar con nuestro vendedor o deja sus datos en el inferior de la pantalla. ¿Y por qué en la feria presentamos estos 2 modelos? Porque estos 2 modelos son más ventas en los años pasados. Y para los clientes directos, estos modelos son más adecuados. Y para los distribuidores son más ventas. Entonces, ese lo puede ver por la feria, ese 3015H se cubierta totalmente. Y con con dos mesas y mesas intercambiadas y con la pantalla de Cibugu. Si un cliente quiere cortar, normalmente corta, por ejemplo, unos gruesos normales, entonces este sistema puede guardar los datos. Entonces abre y empieza a cortar. Entonces, lo que detrás de mí, este modelo, la potencia es 4000. Se puede cortar acero al carbono hasta 20 milímetros, 10 milímetros de inoxidable, 8 milímetros de aluminio y 6 de cobre. Y aquí el cabezal lo usamos Raidol y es una marca muy famosa y es autofoco. Puede tardar si cuando cortamos la placa no está muy llana, entonces se starta automática para proteger cabezal. Y el cubierta de cabezal es un nuevo diseño. Con este nuevo diseño, entonces es bueno para sacar los calientes. El calor no hace daño al cabezal. Y el viga es aluminio fundida. Diferencia con otros fabricantes y es más estable. Y la cama, mira, estas camas, cuando por el espacio solo ponemos una cama. Entonces, cuando intercambia, así solo 15 segundos. Y las aquí, y otra, tú puedes mirar totalmente esta cubierta. Con la potencia de 4000, es una potencia muy alta, muy alta. Entonces, aunque ponemos las capas para el operador, pero como es la potencia muy alta, entonces puede hacer daño a los ojos. Entonces, si con cerrada la puerta, aquí lo ve, se puede con una segunda protección. Entonces, no hace daño a los ojos. Bueno, con todo eso, ya casi termina esta presentación. Como usted sabe, ya había escucharme todo lo que he dicho. Ya conoce un poco sobre la máquina. Y ahora te dice, oye, es un monstruo, ¿cómo puedo manejarlo? ¿Yo puedo manejarlo esta máquina? Sí, te digo sí, claro que sí. Es fácil para manejar este tipo de máquina. Y con ayuda del sistema Cibugu y con nuestros puestos de servicio, entonces solo una semana ya puede entenderlo, manejarlo, todo perfecto. Y otra cosa, el corazón de la máquina es equipo de láser. Y la marca de equipo de láser es Raigus. Como es una marca muy famosa de China y tiene cooperación con el gobierno. Así, ya como casi todo terminamos. Entonces, usted ya conoce un poco sobre la máquina. Si usted quiere usar esta máquina para su trabajo, en la feria de Candó es el mejor momento para es comprar las máquinas porque tenemos un buen descuento. Si quieres, puedes dejar tus datos en parte inferior de la pantalla y o hablar directamente con nuestro vendedor y nuestro vendedor te va a presentar más sobre ello. Muy bien, muchas gracias por escucharme y muchísimas gracias. Adiós.
Всем привет! Меня зовут Олег, я из компании Senfeng. Добро пожаловать в нашу компанию. Сегодня позволите мне показать вам нашу ходовую модель 3015M. Вот это патала на 3 рабочее поле и с труболезом. Посмотрите сначала сюда. Вот это отдельный, независимый электронный шкаф. Он отличается от встроенного шкафа. Он может уменьшить электрические магнитные помехи и удобен в обслуживании. Вот программное обеспечение можно на русском, можно и на английском. Субкат является сейчас одна из самых известных программное обеспечение в мире. Дальше. Установок рабочей боли батала на 3. Есть еще батала на 4, батала на 6. Вот. А это устройство труболеза. Диаметр от 20 по 220 миллиметров. Это нержавейки трубы. Давайте посмотрим, как качество лески. Сейчас, подождите, оператор сейчас управляется. Посмотрите, пожалуйста, заготовки по горячей. Зажим вот здесь. Сейчас. Посмотрите, пожалуйста, братцы. Зажим патрона. Здесь установлено ручной. Это ручной. Есть и опция пневматический, автоматический зажим патрона. Если у них есть разница, это по желанию, как вам удобно. Автоматически будет чуть-чуть дороже. Длина лески трубы 3,6 метров. То есть есть две опции. Хорошо, все, сейчас я покажу вам листолез. Сейчас оператор управляется, сейчас чуть-чуть подождите. Это операции на этом станке, это труболеза. Это 200 миллиметров круглая. На этом станке можно резать и круглую, и квадратную трубу, и многоугольную, и различные профили. Посмотрите. Он обладает высокой мощностью и скорости, и точности. Точности позиционирования 0,02-0,03. Еще вот это тоже посмотрите. Все, туда посмотрим лист-лес. Это лежущая головка. У нас есть сейчас собственная головка. Это мы сами разработали. Это сопла. На этом станке есть расходники. Сопла и защитное стекло и керамическое колесо. Оператор может выбрать разные сопли по разным точкам и разным видам металлов. Посмотрите, пожалуйста. Это черная сталь 6 миллиметров. Посмотрите, качество лески очень хорошее, светлое. Это леска при леске нашей собственной головки. У нас есть не только, ну, у нас есть сейчас есть и свои технологии. То есть источник, вы знаете, источник это самая важная часть в вагонном лазерном станке. Ну, давайте так, сегодня я ознакомлю вас и с нашим собственным источником и, конечно, и головкой. Сейчас пойдемте. Это наш шоурум. Здесь вы будете видеть наши собственные головки и источники. Мы в 2017 году разработали свои источники и головки. Сейчас уже хорошо продается в отечественном рынке. И сейчас потихоньку начинали продавать за границей, за рубежом. Посмотрите эти фотографии. Вот. Сейчас максимально мощности 36 киловатт. Очень мощный. Если 15 киловатт, 6 киловатт, 1 киловатт, 1,5 и так далее. Вот эти образцы, головки. Они все с автоматической фокусировкой. Так что оператор может очень легко регулировать расстояние фокуса. Можно просто по программному обеспечению. Вот здесь это наши источники. Senfeng. Вот это 8 киловатт. Наша компания не просто, я вам говорю, что наша компания не просто, сейчас не такая компания, как другие. Мы раньше тоже были такие, как мы закупали материалов, собирали станки и продаем. А сейчас нет, не так. И сейчас у нас есть своя технология. Мы в этом году мы вкладывали 5 миллионов долларов в год. То есть, чтобы мы потихоньку улучшать свою технологию. Вот это 6 киловатт, вот это 4 киловатт. Есть и 1 киловатт, 1,5 и 2 киловатта. Это позволяет нас, чтобы отличаться от других. У нас, если у вас, в чем еще преимущество? В том, что если возникает какая-то проблема с источником, наша техподдержка может быстро поможет с решением вопросов. Мы предоставляем услуги своевременно. Сегодня я вам ознакомил вас с нашим станком, с труболезом и с листолезом, и наши собственные источники и головки. Спасибо за внимание. Сегодня все. Если у вас будет проблемы, вопрос какой-то, вы можете задавать в любое время. Спасибо. Всего доброго. До свидания.
I'm Ray, and welcome to our live show. Today I'm going to introduce about our second